Merciful Savior, precious Redeemer and friend, who rescue the souls of men. Oh, you rescue the souls of men.
Na mi no gusua ya bo enkomo e wo John chapter 4. Nina ay nimidia me pese wunya. Na enei yeti asiase. Yeni odifo bia e wo wiase. Ode COVID-19 amu solution wade every wiase. Me dia elbedofo. Sa me hwe ensama me no aka no a. Me buo amoye antiase bi sai. E wo se wa kasa a wo de ho no. Wofa okwa bia twokonkron ade ato se eno ele onipa fa so a obeso oyagobo eri na wo so oyame ani sense obeso odifo bi eri everyse oyame mfra obi ase wo me odifo awurade Yesu Kristo ene odifo a wo twato ewo Israel fo wode ne ba ya sai obeka Samaria ade Jewfo embom enye wo baako anchire wo sai ono ne adenkwa no a ode enkwaje eba wo John chapter 4 awurade Yesu de obaye de nkoma ma bedu sai Yesu ka cha de sai me ne Messiah no efisa na wo munim sai Messiah bi baba Christ bi baba na ono ena oba obekire oman Israel de esese wo mo part 6 ana bi wadru suwe na me chiro ewo part 6 mu akwati asiasa awurade Yesu Kristo de ba no oba ya wode adifo no dwumadie no a wo bobedi ye ni yira ba wie ya in the sense say adifo ni se ono awurade Yesu Kristo ho enkom mabo hu san commission bi de arabedofo wo John chapter 4 verse number 26. Yesu yi obana no na utuaso 27 no a ebra awurade Yesu na suafo no a anasomafo no koto ade wo bokoto ebae wo beto say Yesu ni obana no ekasa na wo mpo eye wawa bidia elbedofo yi wo mfra Yesu se wo bla ebedidi media babron kai kakra. And at this point John chapter 4 verse 27 his disciples came and they marveled that he talked with a woman, yet no one said, what do you seek, or why are you talking with her? 28 the woman then left her water pot, went her way into the city, and said to the men, come see a man who taught me all things that I ever did. Could this be the Christ? 30. Then they went out of the city and came to him. In the meantime, his disciples urged him, saying, Rabbi, eat. 32. But he said to them, I have food to eat, of which you do not know. Therefore, the disciples said to one another, has anyone brought him anything to eat? Verse 34. Jesus said to them, my food is to do the will of him who sent me, and to finish his work. Hallelujah. How do you understand this statement? And to finish his work. Onyankopon na dwuma no a wo de ba difo so a wo mo eka no wo de ina ba wie Awurade Yesu Kristo. Wo to asole no so a obai de mirika kokurom na okoko bo asam ne dawuru. Eno ele de san dwumi de ba yo Ghana for ye kwese mu aso de mu a Near the table, yes, on Ketwa. Anka Beka. If you are calling wo, now may was a so. Anka Beka. If you are calling wo, now may was a so. Woja wina wabari rami woja rafopa Odimira Jesus woja rafopa Odimira Jesus Owura Yesu na wo be ya yira a wode na besra so a wonni ogifo biara na Awurade Yesu Kristo a woye Jewfo oban Israel wodifo a otwatwo wo bai bedan wodi aba enipa ehun wo buji nudi wono en wo ba enne bidu bienu ya ba menya akwanya the right to be the sons of God ya ba yo ya bi mawie ya wo pua ba nyina ba bi se wo odifo nti obi metiu ya do sheba bu ba bi a enfete. There is no any prophet. Say prophet be see wo COVID-19 and for one robla. And we are saying that for the idea drop ba ye ba bona jeso ye ba ma de so sia gogo abo obi atene nkasa aba ye ya oyami nipa ode aduro ede aba ye de besa COVID-19 and then ye ina ye na doctor for and then a doctor for ye ina ye hwo o doctor ni oyodifo enu na kire wo se eye yare biara mpo ɛna oyankopɔn ɛna ɛba ɛbɛyɛ hwadwa de bo yame abe nyansa ne bidia ɛne eduro aso obi yare a na ɔno maduro no a ne ho ɛbɛtɔro nanso ɛna no na Awurade Yesu Kristo ti ase no a na somafo di na kire no yare biara Yesu kɔto no Yesu sa ha wɔsɛ bubuafo yare wɔsɛ akwatafo yare Luke chapter 7 Awurade jejan yare ɛhyɛ hɔ Yesu Kristo sa yerumu nyina adifura apache ebubua afu de wawuo oba aboje guno fishe biasa fishe edumienu obi a wabubu eda besede subira ho John chapter 5 fishe biasa wotwe 38 years Awurade Yesu sa nyarba werumu nyina COVID-19 kakra yi abewi ase a bedumienu nyina yehu so uzo yodifo ba ko a eya no wo adwane ade akodoje says the Church of Christ a preacher for kase wo mo besa COVID-19 na promise wo mo yadifo a the Church of Christ a preacher for nso o ya men kasa nkyira wo say wo mo so besa COVID-19 yei ya te Bible na say endei ade a eye oman ni na ade adia eye ewiase nyina ade onyame mfanfa onipa ba ku bi so abeka nkire oman ana ewiase sa de ni wo biem Church of Christ of biem kwanyira ba bi kwa ka sai onyame abada yaresa to bi ayaresa to bi wa Awurade ho anuti ene ye believe sai se bo mpaya Awurade betie yan na do se me ye wura so ne dem enkosomo a ye betu abompa wo ye fi Awurade betie be de adbedofo Awurade ni o da bu ewani wa hwe ni ye ya enkofo ye no me de na da atro ani kontompo wo bo abema ho akere abra oba Israel wo bubu tete ya o ya me ba wo bu kwankwaso mo na ekwasumu a edikan oyame ba Juda wo bu koya nkwa e Babylon 606 BC pera elbeto bedafo na ema Jerusalem aya wo mo capital city Jerusalem ebubui Jerusalem was captured in 597 BC Oba Jerusalem na yesai temple ewa Jerusalem Israel for a ship that one more as 586 BC. Then God sent prophets to comfort and reassure his people. That brought lamentation. Jeremiah was the writer. When Yakubu friend Jeremiah, now obey Jeremiah eka ni Samuel eya church lamentation, lamented BBSC ama wonipa no wo sudiyem wo suhumunu wo yamwie and provide solution. So Israel for Moses madwen na bungumo wo yamfra Daniel no the Daniel abeya adwuma 606 to 536 BC. Daniel had the hope. It is a woman who Daniel tribe. Woko chapter 2 verse number 44. Christ will reign as a king. Yes, medere. Na Yesu ahindie no yamfa ma onipa biara. Be say adifo ansama kase weinom ana adifo ka. Na ebem anso adi hye ono Onyankopon. Didi kokoro eduyam. Messianic kingdom. Daniel eka wasa. Oyababa fra Ezekiel 593 to 573 BC. Now oyabede na sab ama Ezekiel say, I will restore remnant of Israel. Wabwa tuakodom na afai me awurade me hwesai wo mo sai me fie na me no wo mo chichire me ye wo mo Yankopon na wo mo so enye me Yankopon me no almedofo wo ya me fra Ezra wo ya me fra Nehemia wo ya me fra Esa wo ya me fra Haggai Zechariah Malachi adere ebe people na yesha say Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, Acts, Romans, 1st and 2nd Corinthians, sa edibasi Revelation. Ti asaba na wuye free sa atweredo ebo. Bidu almedofo. Wo Yankopon pasai. Ode oban Israel esi wobiem sa United Kingdom. Ahidia wo mo ebo baako. Eni wo kwan sai obia atitim. Odofo na Awurade Yesu abaya sa adwuma no. We are different to say Daniel. We are different to say Ezekiel. We are different to say Ezra. We are different to say Isaiah. We are different to say Jeremiah na. Ba yehu adwuma. Wa adwuma ko a Awurade di asoma no. Ba yehu adwuma ko a Awurade di asoma no. Ebisa ya Bible. Wa adwuma de say ba kon ya bia sam kira nkrofo ana. Then you are an evangelist. You are a preacher. You are a man of God. You are not a prophet. Though in English language, you have 4 talent and 4th talent. We are talking about the 4th talent. Or you mean Casabia to baby? Such lady pan. Ewo who buena no ano walk. 4 talent inside. Me sure Bible number 5 year radiaka. Number catch the unipa. Church of Christ. You need problem ya 4 talent. There was a catch inside. You are a 4th talent prophet. My brother, you don't know what you are saying. And then when you meet the asuma wa be catch any chokokoya and then they are the full of the odeba. COVID-19 could you warrior to say? Make up once of the different America. It was a year wage with the producer to trade as a battle. You have a quarantine 14 days. We are Bama who we and who maybe just Yakob Echo who said, Uobi, and I would be Uobi. I feel you may withdraw. I don't know with my son. I don't know. I will not afford to answer. Yare so now we are by Ukunu or no champion. You have a quarantine 14 days. I say Uobi and I would be Uobia, Yabayo. So, but ya pa, so would ya pa. is not guaranteed. Adia ba ko nipa tiase. Nobody owns destiny of man. Onipa esebre. Ense onipa na sani ensa. COVID-19 ebekum nipa bebre. COVID-19 ebetwam na nipa bebre so tiase. A fact na asaso ye true. Kwalala abako. Obi yai mani yebu hwie ya be 2 weeks. When I went to wewu COVID-19 ba ye adenko. Me nua be dofo. Ya tell ko bebre ye wo mu interview a radio so. Wo gbe ye yare yi. Ebrei wo yame adom wo gbe ye yaresa. Wo ba bontin no. So wadam ho enipa huru anu obu dwane. Edi asem a we no ye COVID-19 no. HIV bofa na. Me dey be dofo. Yare we yare ye di agro. Na ye we di fo e wo mai we mo. We are not serious. Na ye kachiro di pebia abofra o, opani o, oba o, obema o, asoleba o, asopani o, osofu o, so antia sai. So obi kasa or your di fo wo mai mu a or your trofo. He don't know anything about prophet and prophecy. When I say television so any radio so. Owusu bempa any brother Daniel owusu siama. Church of Christ was some pakani okudi wa benfo wa doctor bu. Bana Bible adu so emu amenu ya papa bi gina. E bana brabo bu nsam papa bi gina. Na owusu bempa false prophet. Wono so ehinu yame fra nu o, so ehinu yame fra nu o. MPP won commission wo se. Ebediti doctor Daniel owusu siama tem. Ke kan sabua wonim. Me dia no bedofo. Ede yabesom enei yede yabesom ayete sai aduane a yede asichire agum abedetwem awe wiase mu hweda ozuma party television so ka kire wiase sai Mary Magdalene apostle. Now, only apostle odi kan chama mo hwe video no Mary Magdalene ya apostle odi kan ewo awradi Yesu asomafo wo beyi wo ni mu na wo bom sa na ayede adi school na okoye ozu be pa sa wo hwe bia eya brewo star wo beyi ni pa mo gbe di na chi media albedofo ya ko hwe video no wa bra papa TV so a oka editor for say Mary Magdalene aya apostle awurade Yesu yi
no mu ye ma this all sudden Deborah no mu ye ma Mary Magdalene no your boss as no apostles no no the first apostle enti mo bin kan chiro se ni kwa so ba so for say the Church of Christ for mo ke kanon. I'm not attacking Church of Christ. I'm talking to Daniel Owusu Esiama. You are not matured.
But I say a video na wie. So what would say? So what would we? Yenu mi na na da asamo a improve na dia dan say. Ozu ba pantie. So what say? Na afafa wa fa no. O de ba ko brother Daniel doctor. Owusu Esiama so a. Na dim guase e chakra baba na say a. Every side when you touch a faithful and a good preacher of the Lord Church here, you touch the eye of Christ. So when you go bisa so a chile you be from the poor they are told no e the Damascus kwai so media albeda for Acts chapter 9 so okay kaya o kasto ale ni chira so na be say obekum asabakafo ene asole dia ne before ene asole ma wo bu sum nyame ewo enibere so awurade Yesu afa ne ho ancha no ene Jesus ne say so ebe ye Paul na obeka eduado be ho ebe obu preach awurade ahindie ni wasam na wo bu ka awurade asole no enso eho wasam. Still I am on the topic Today's prophet have no solution to COVID-19. I will come back and continue with you. Thank you. And may the good Lord richly bless you.